I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education. And as you must be already knowing that the exam of civil services preliminary, which was scheduled to be held in June 1st, June in the end of June, now is postponed to the October. So similar to that, in my opinion, the exam of engineering services, which is scheduled to be held on 18th of July, will also be postponed. So that means we are getting some breathing space here. Those of you who are preparing for engineering services can keep their momentum going and prepare very well for this exam. So if we see UPSC recently, they came out with this notification that civil services preliminary exam, which was to be held on 27th of June, now will be held on 10th of October. Now, if you see, engineering services exam was to be held on 18th July, very close to 27th of June. So we understand that if this exam is postponed, then engineering services will also be postponed, and it will also be held somewhere in October now. And when we say this, this is the notification you can find on the UPSC site also. And now what is the interpretation of this is, interpretation of this notification is like whatever exams are going to be there in future. So there is very less probability that exams are held in May, June and even July, because engineering services exam is on 18th of July. So to be on the safer side, I believe the exams will not be held even in July. They will be postponed to the months later by September only. So that is what my view is, and I wanted to share this information with you with the request that keep your preparation level good, because at this time when obviously we all are going through a very depressing phase because of the COVID cases in and around us. So please keep your preparation momentum high, so that as and when exam come, we are in position to crack it. All the best, and keep watching it. I will update you once the exam date of engineering services is postponed or new exam date comes. Thank you.